So today, sorry, I just wanted us to look at another topic so that we start nicely. Apa venzambo chita chinzambo so from past paper so that movie kai time yaenda. I have to teach you a lot of things. So today I thought of solving any quadratic equation yambe part 2. So the quadratic equation waiona te apitema. So now I'm yam 2020, yam 2020, 2021, 2019, 2019 paper 2 GCE. I want us to solve these questions. So quadratic equation need 5 marks, so it is 5 marks. So please do not miss any concept here. If you're not clear, you just tell me. I'm not clear that side, then I can help you. Yeah, so that's the new rhythm I've introduced. I'll be just solving question papers and explaining. So quadratic equations, let's just explain a bit. So a quadratic equation is an equation, say a quadratic equation is an equation expressed in the form y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So a quadratic equation is an equation expressed in this form: y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So mkaona y makamba ti y same na 0 not technical note. Not most important thing when you're equating. So y is equals to 0 same which na f of x. Yes. So a quadratic equation is an equation expressed in this form. Very important. So let's now start solving our equations. So start with the 2020 paper 2. So this was the question for 2020 paper 2. I bring the solution here. Sorry. So the question says, solve the equation x squared minus x minus 19. So hapa tukaweka the equation is x squared minus x minus x minus 19 is equals to 0. So this is the equation x squared minus x minus 9 is equals to 0. So my equation here, if we can comply kuli y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. If we can comply kuli my equation ndiye standard equation. So wafuna tusolve so makuona kusogolo ku x kuli coefficient 1 still mbati 1x ni 1 chiriko kusogolo kwaye. So there's 1 here. So you start identifying, start picking the points before you solve. Kusogolo kuli 1. So zakamba a, because a mwaiona icha comply na hii hapa. So yaku standard equation a cha comply na hapa. So a 1, a zakamba a is equals to 1, a is equals to 1, then b is equals to ili hapa b na even negative 1 because there's a negative here, so say negative 1. Then c ni yaku last ili constant. So zakamba c is equals to negative 19. I hope hapa muli clear mupikina na point. Nikutenga che point iyi ndiye standard ili by explanation. so utenga uku coefficient chane kuli 1 uku kuli -1 ukulu kuli 19. After wachita hivi for quadratic equation in a formula, which is formula ya quadratic equation is is x is equals to -b plus or negative the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So hapo maiona formula mkalinaye careful because vinanga over maisira hapa, so kaisira hapa over nshakufera, so ufunika walemba -b positive or negative because quadratic equation always matusoma na answers ya b, then square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. After this you say therefore x wamba cha kuplace is equals to negative pa b palishani pa -1, so place up pa b up place up -1 up vingavuta hivi hamshozi vingavuta, then ulete hapa positive or negative square root yaoneka then wacha open bracket pa b hapa palizingati pa b pali -1 ita cha collect hapa, so na pia vika po -1 squared minus 4 pa a palizingati pali 1, so press hapo chani 1 hapa cross wawendo press hapo tena pa c palishani hapa pa c pali -19, so you place hapa -19 plus 2 kuplace chabe hapa ukaplace, so wacha over itali usambira hapa over ya imapaika ukambira hapa, so I hope you can see properly. Let me just put the book. Yeah, sorry. This is the equation I've come up with. This is the equation I've come up with. Equation repeated. Then you remember parent principally 2a. So ucha over over 2 pa a parisani pa a pari branch pa a. So when you tenga pa a pari branch pa a pari 1. So you press 1 cross. So say x is equals to step by step negative times negative 1. So you press a 1 up positive or negative, then square root of hivi upanjingira pamoja, so get calculator kwa mungaka mukazikonga venika mchaya open bracket, so waika open bracket ili hapo open bracket, then there's -1 you press -1 close, then you put a squared here open bracket -1 squared minus 4 open bracket, so open bracket 1 cross, you say open bracket again uvikonga chemwe vilizo che -1 -19 cross, then ukacha so cross vo hivi vili bracket waviona hivi uvipanjingira pamoja pa calculator, then your answers it will be 77 then over itali, so kwa 2 ili pass times 1 it will be 2. So my answers here tafuni konkara zari mbira pang'ono tafuni konkara wi kamanje funi konkara x is equals to 1 1 kai pali positive or negative ina kuzankara positive square root of 77 ili mkati saiwala 77 over punch by challenge by 2, so you place 2, or kale chifungo tusoma answers yabiri, or x is equals to is 140, 1 minus tenga minus iri pansi panja square root of 77 over 2. I hope mwaikonga apa. So manswers yafunga kuchosana kuti x is equals to imwe panchinga. So apo vochita ngwambira face panchinga iri pamwamba iso first wapanchika 1 wambira pa face panchinga imwe iri 1 plus square root of 77, so panchinga 1 plus the root of 77. After a pays answer manje ukapanchinga a pays answer, then you divide by what is below iri pansi chan 2, so divide by what, divide by 2, sorry, divide by, let me just slap this, divide by 2, divide by 2. So when you divide by 2, your answer will finally be 4.8. Will be 4.8. So 4.88. So rounding off it will be 4.9. So come back, your value of x is going to 4.9, or x is equals to, again you deal with this part and also consider this this negative. So say 1 minus square root of 77. Then after this you find the answer, then divide by 2. So the answer will be negative 0.9. So x is equals to negative 3. Sorry, that's the answer that's given us here. Negative 3.9. Negative 3.9. Ushiyasira 5 marks waigira pa yonse. So tegeye note value ya x inango ni 4.9, then inango sani negative 3.9. ndiye mwema indera. So we take a break. We have solved the 2020 paper 1. So ineni kupasako usolve kwaya kwambira 2021 pasanko ni msolve kwaya 2021 solve this one. You also solve this one. I'll capture for you. I just want to see how you can do it, but I'll continue with the explanations. This is when I'm starting, so I'm stabilizing the environment.